Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Motorola Razr 60. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove a screen protector. Now, I already did that part. As you guys can see, it's already removed. But if you have it placed onto your phone, if it's going over the bezel, which is the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, you should definitely think about removing it. It's very important. And once you remove it, what you can do next is, only if you do not have the original screen protector anymore, if you got rid of it and you got a third-party one, you can remove it. But if you do have the original screen protector, make sure to not touch it because you will void your warranty. So make sure to not do that. And of course, what we're going to do next is we're going to go over and clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. So I'm going to go really slow on that phone because I don't want to break it. But as you guys can see, now we cleaned our screen. It's looking really good. What we're going to do next is we're going to restart our phone to refresh the system. So press the power button, volume up button, and now tap on restart. So the phone is now restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and update our software. So let's go over into the settings. Now in the settings, we're simply going to scroll down until we see system updates. We're going to tap check for updates, and everything looks good for me. But if you do have the latest version available, make sure to download. It's very important. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.